How to use Shopify.
Shopify is a popular e-commerce platform that allows individuals and businesses to create and manage their online stores. It provides tools and services for everything from building a website to managing sales, inventory, payments, and shipping.
1. Sign up for Shopify. Go to Shopify and click on Start Free Trial. Enter your email, create a password, and choose a store name. Answer the setup questions, for example, what you plan to sell. 2. Set up your store. A. Dashboard overview. After signing up, you'll be taken to the Shopify dashboard, which is your control center for managing the store. B. Add products. 1. Go to products greater than add product. To enter the product title, description, and pricing. 3. Upload product images. 4. Add inventory details, SKU, and shipping information. 5. Save the product. C. Choose a theme. 1. Go to online store greater than themes. 2. Select a free theme or purchase a premium theme from the Shopify theme store. 3. Customize the theme by clicking Customize to adjust colors, fonts, and layout. 3. Customize your store.
A. Set up navigation. Go to online store navigation. Add menus such as Home, Shop, About Us, and Contact. B. Create pages. Go to online store pages. Add important pages like About Us, Share Your Story and Brand Mission, Contact Us, include a form, email, or phone number, FAQs, answer common questions. C. Set up your domain. 1. Go to Settings Domains. 2. Use a free Shopify domain, for example, mystore.myshopify.com, or connect a custom domain you own.
4. Set up payments. Go to Settings greater than Payments. Choose payment gateways like Shopify Payments, PayPal, or third-party options. Configure payment methods like credit, debit cards, and digital wallets.
5. Configure shipping. Go to Settings, Shipping and Delivery. Set shipping rates: flat rate, free shipping, or calculated. Add zones for domestic and international shipping.
6. Launch your store. Go to Settings greater than General. Double-check all settings, including store name and email. Remove the password to make your store live. 1. Go to Online Store greater than Preferences. 2. Disable the password.
7. Market your store. A. SEO optimization. Go to Online Store Preferences. Add meta titles and descriptions for your homepage and products. B. Social media integration. Link your social media accounts for marketing. Run ads on platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Google. Email marketing. Use Shopify email or third-party apps like MailChimp to engage with customers.
8. Install apps. Go to the Shopify App Store to add functionality. Oberlo Ordzers for dropshipping. Klaviyo for email marketing. Yopo for reviews and ratings.
9. Manage your store. Use Shopify Analytics to monitor sales, traffic, and conversion rates. Regularly update products and add new ones. Keep inventory and shipping settings updated.
10. Grow your store. Experiment with discounts and promotions. Collect customer feedback to refine your offerings. Explore new markets by expanding product lines or targeting international audiences.